Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing the phone for a reliable Face ID diagnosis. First, make sure your iOS is up to date because system fixes often resolve recognition bugs. Next, clean the True Depth camera and remove any case or screen protector that could obstruct sensors. Once done, restart the device to clear temporary errors and attempt Face ID in both bright and dim light. This reveals whether lighting or physical blockage is the cause. You now move into reconfiguration. Go to Face ID settings and reset the data to eliminate corrupt profiles. After wiping the old data, enroll your face again slowly, following the on-screen rotation prompts. This improves map accuracy. If you wear glasses, a hat, or frequently use a mask, add an alternate appearance so the system learns variations. Make sure your face stays centered and about 10 to 20 inches from the camera during scans for consistent depth mapping. Finally, verify hardware and escalate smartly. If Face ID still fails, run diagnostics in settings or contact Apple support to check the True Depth module. Physical damage or a misaligned sensor often requires repair. Before a factory restore, back up your data, then restore the device as new to remove deep software corruption. If that still doesn't work, book a certified repair, replace the sensor or module, because hardware failure is the most common stubborn cause. Ask the technician to confirm true depth calibration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.